Hi buddy, it's a true and I am right here. And today, as you can see, I've got a paper. Look at what? What do you mean, look? Where do you want us to look? There. Stuff like that. Oh, Roxy. I know it's the stinks of crap, isn't it? Yeah, it's the dog that's been farting all night. It's so nice. Well, it is nearly Christmas, and Toodles has done his Christmas list because, what's this? If I can just tell them, look, he's writing. Yeah, he is kind of like, look, he's drawing up. He's done enough. It is quite hard to understand his handwriting, but let's see what he wants. Okay, what he wants is some new toys. So he wants some new toys, Toodles. Do you think some of my nice friends might buy some of these toys, Toodles? I think some of my friends might buy some. They might. No. If you can actually send some of these to Toodles, and do it if you want. What else? Oh, this looks like a very, very bad one. Well, it's not bad. It's quite expensive. He said he says he wants a new kid. Is that right, Toodles? Yeah, it's not he said. So, you're hungry? Oh, yeah. He told us that he forgot to put grapes on the end, didn't he? He said, that remember to put grapes on the end, I forgot. Because every time when he's hungry, he'll put that, he'll ring that. Oh, you're hungry right now? 2 seconds, I'll go and get you a grape. I'll read this as well. So he wants a grape, a bigger cage, and what else did he want? I can't remember. What did he say? Get some grape. Yeah, I've got my grape. Not bad. Okay, now what else does he have on this list? Right, he had he's had grapes. You've had Merry Christmas because and cross that off. And he wanted a bigger cage. And what else did he want? I can't remember. Yeah, what? It doesn't matter. Right, see what else he wants. He's got quite a lot here. Okay. Let's see that. He wants to be out of the cage more often. Well, I guess that is quite fair, because we get him out like once a week or something. Well, we'll normally bring him out nearly every Saturday and Sunday on the weekend. But I'm there when he gets out, so yeah, we'll have to let him out with me. It's just me and my granddad there. So that's why he doesn't get that much time out of the cage. He was once, but I put a private video because the video didn't go very well at the end. I'll just say that. Something happened with me and that. Right, what else? Oh, this is the last one. He wants a friend. So you want a friend in your cage with you, do you? Well, Toodles, you know what? If you're a girl, you might have some babies. You might have some babies in there with you. But if you're a boy, then we'll just have to get you a nice girl, won't we? Because we don't actually know if Toodles is a boy or a girl yet, and we've had him for about nearly 2 years now, I think. He was born on November the 7th. Yeah, he's a buddy, isn't he? Yeah, buddy. So that's his Christmas list. If you can actually send any... Oh, I remember the first one now, it was toys. If you could actually send some things through to us, that'd be greatly appreciated. But then again, you would have to send it to my nan's house. And I'm not telling you where I live in case you try toys instead. But some people, like if you're very clever, you'll be able to work out. Okay, so Toodles, is that what all everything you want? Oh, you must scratch, don't you? Yeah, good. You want to dance? Well, let's dance. Come on, let's dance. Okay. Yeah, Toodles is getting quite excited. And I did actually draw out one more thing that I would like to show you. 2 seconds. I draw like it is 2 months away, but yeah. There's something with his cookies and stuff, and there's a bit of writing, but you don't need to see that. So I draw that, and yeah. What's wrong, man? But anyway, Toodles, like literally, I'll ask you what's the matter, and then you just say nothing. Okay. So I want to thank you very much for watching Toodles dances again. I want to thank you very much for Toodles, can you stop interrupting this, please? I want to thank you very much for watching. Smash it! You know what I'm saying, smash it. Smash the like button. If we get about 30 likes, and yeah, I'll bring back another video. Subscribe to the True Matter. Bring plenty of videos. And yeah. Goodbye.